Hi everyone, this is Satya Priyan from Aaxent Institute, Physics faculty, and today just we are going to give a demo class for your reference about Kirchhoff law, because you can take this is a very important topic and most of the people, that is most of the students will get confused in this lesson. That's what I have taken this topic into consideration. First you can take, there are Kirchhoff law, mean there are two laws actually, Kirchhoff current law and Kirchhoff voltage law, but here we are going to study only about Kirchhoff current law. That's nothing but you can take the Kirchhoff current law tells that algebraic sum of the currents meeting at a junction in an electrical circuit is 0. What is that? The algebraic sum of the currents meeting at an electrical junction is what? 0. Okay. That means the sum of the current entering, that means you can take this my junction. Okay. Here there are 4 paths are there, 4 paths of current. From 4 paths there are 2 currents are entering inside and through 2 paths the currents are leaving. Okay, you can able to see that I1 and I4 are entering, I2 and I3 are leaving. Okay, so if you take the sign convention into consideration, that means by applying the algebraic sum we need to think about the negative and positive sign into consideration. That's what you are going to apply, what sign convention here. Sign convention in the sense whatever the current entering the junction will be taken as positive and the current leaving the junction will be taken as negative. You can take plus I1 and plus I4 are entering in this particular junction, though I am taking it as what? Current, that's nothing but positive, and minus I2 and minus I3 are leaving. That's what I3 and I2 are leaving. That's what I am writing, minus I2 and I3. So we are going to take the sum based upon the sign I1 plus I4 minus I2 minus I3 is equal to what? 0. Then I can able to say I1 plus I4 is equal to I2 plus I3. That is nothing but the sum of current, incoming current is equal to sum of outgoing current. That is equal to what? Sum of incoming currents I1 and I4, that is equal to sum of outgoing current I2 and I3. The reason is nothing but the electric current is merely what? Due to the flow of electrons. So they cannot accumulate at any point in a circuit. Whatever the thing comes, they have to cross the junction and they have to move away. For example, you can take a traffic signal, whatever the vehicle comes that has to move, then only the particular path of the flow of many vehicles will be there in the particular path. That means some of the vehicles entering will be equal to some of the vehicle leaving. Similarly here what? The electrons, whatever is coming, they have to leave. They cannot able to accumulate at the particular point in the circuit. And this is in accordance with the law of conservation of charge. Remember, this is in accordance with what? Law of conservation of charges. That means whatever the charge comes, the total charge in a particular system is constant. That's what this is called as what? Law of conservation of charges. Okay, thank you, have a nice day, bye.